Hey, homeschoolers. What if I told you that there's a way for you to get college credit for absolutely free? We're talking no textbooks, no exam fees, or testing fees. I'm going to show you exactly how with modern states. This can be an absolute game changer for you and your family. Stay tuned. So, first of all, what in the world is modern states? That's what I thought when I first heard about them. And I wish that I knew about them a long time ago when I was taking my CLEP exams. Modern States is a nonprofit organization with one simple mission: make college accessible and affordable for everyone. They offer completely free online courses that prepare students for all of their CLEP exams. And I mean completely free. So here we are at the Modern States website, modernstates.org. To get started, all you have to do is sign up. You can click here and register, put in your information. So I'm already logged in and I'm just going to give you the overview here. So there's this little welcome and orientation guide you can go through. Basically, it talks about what Modern States is. And so they actually offer 32 courses. And basically, if you score 75% or higher after taking their quizzes and final exams, you are eligible to get a CLEP exam voucher from Modern States. To enroll in a course, all you have to do is go up to this menu item, enroll, and you can choose among all of these that they offer. These are all the courses they offer for their CLEP. They've got them all. So going back to the very top, let's say if we want to take um, introductory psychology, we could click on here, and all you have to do is enroll in course. Here's the course description. This is a free self-paced modern states course with no prerequisites, aligned to the CLEP introductory psychology exam. Okay. So enroll in the course, and once you're in, you can go to the very top here. This is your widget. If you click on that, I've already enrolled in several, and so this is the one that we just enrolled. It's introductory psychology. You can click on that to open it up. Okay, if you click on here, you can get started. And this gives you the overview, the welcome, course content overview, the goals, and meet your professor. This is really cool because if you click on this, you can see the actual professor who's going to be giving the lectures. Um, and this is Dr. David Sitt. He's a tenured professor of psychology. He's been teaching psychology at the undergraduate and graduate level for the past 15 years. So the instructors who are teaching these courses, they are all professors and experts in their field, and everything has been put together really, really well. This is a top-notch curriculum, guys. Okay, so we're going to go back to the content and let's take a little peek into the course material. All course materials here, all the video transcripts, textbook. So there's no need to purchase any textbook because it's here. It's actually a PDF that you can open up. You can download it if you want, but this is the entire textbook in PDF format that your student can go through, study, take the quizzes and final exam, and pass the test. So once you go through all of this material, and go through the lectures as well. So here's the first one, for example, history, approaches, and methods. And then we see here by the professor, we play this, and this is the first lesson.
We're going to begin with the overview of the first chapter in the CLEP exam, History and Approaches and Methods of Psychology.
Okay, this is great. So basically go through here, and they've got the video lectures, they've got all the course materials to prepare you for the CLEP. This, yeah, like I said, this is an absolute game changer. I wish I had something like this when I was taking my CLEP exams because I was paying for each one. I was buying course materials, study guides, and things like that, but everything is provided for. We're going to go back to the main dashboard. Let's look at another course. Okay, so these are all the courses that I'm enrolled. You can enroll into as many as you want, obviously. They're all free. Um, let's go back to enroll. Click on the enroll at the menu, and we can go through each one. This is another easy CLEP exam. So yeah, let's go ahead and enroll in this course. So I'm going to open it. And as a reminder, this is where you can see all the courses that you're in. Okay, let's take a look at this one and who is teaching this one. Okay, this is Dr. Tamar Abnet, professor at Yeshiva University. So we got course goals, all the course materials, all the chapters, final exam instructions. So each Modern States course culminates in a final exam that learners who wish to request a CLEP voucher must pass. So as a reminder, if you want to get that CLEP voucher, you must pass this final exam. This final exam is unlocked when learners have attempted all quizzes in the course and earn an average score of 75% across all quizzes. Okay, so just keep that in mind. You have to go through their process. It's really easy. You enroll in the course, you take all the quizzes in the final exam, and if you scored an average of some 75% across everything, then you can request a voucher. So the way you do that to request a voucher, we're going to go to the main website. You can always go to the logo here because this is actually the homepage for the marketing class. So we're going to get out of here and go to home. Voucher request. This takes a little bit of time to load, so I actually did that beforehand, but this is how it looks like. How do you request a CLEP voucher? So this tells you exactly how you do it. So you log in and you complete your course, including all the quizzes and final exam. Once you score 75% or higher, then you can unlock your CLEP voucher request module. Okay, really simple. You wait for your email confirmation. Your voucher request will be processed and you'll receive an update by email within 2 business days. And that is how you request a CLEP voucher. Okay, you can also get reimbursed for your test center fees. So not only do you have to pay for your CLEP exam before you get your voucher, but then each test center, they have their own fees. So once you take your CLEP and you get your score and everything at the test center, you place your information in here, your name, email, phone, your exam taken, whichever it was, let's say it was biology. Okay, are you a participant in the Modern States program? Right. So you answer all these questions, you put the amount of the test center fee, you upload it, and then you upload your score report, your voucher number, confirm your date of birth for payment processing, and you submit your reimbursement request. So it's that simple. That's how you get your test center reimbursement. Okay, these are all the resources, and they will tell you, um, they'll provide updates and important news and announcements. Now here, success stories. This is awesome because this provides some encouragement, actually a lot of encouragement and inspiration. These are success stories of students who have taken CLEPs in the coursework with Modern States and how they were able to graduate. A lot of these students are very young. For example, this one, Gabriel Ping, he used Modern States and CLEP to fulfill coursework needed to complete the Texas First Early High School Completion Program. So he was able to graduate high school at the age of 15. Amazing. Here's another story. The Cruz sisters, 18-year-old and 16-year-old Jacqueline and Santana. So they each have earned an associate's degree while still in high school. They use Modern States and CLEP to save time and money.
My name is Jacqueline Cruz, and I am 18, and I was able to use Modern States and CLEP to get credits over the summer so that I was able to get my associates in science and my certificate in pre-pharmacy before I graduated high school, and I recently was able to get into an early acceptance program at a pharmacy school.
My name is Santana, and I'm 16 years old, and I used Modern States to get 35 college credits before I even made it into my senior year of high school. I've taken 8 college classes through it, and I received an associate's degree at the age of 16. We are very competitive.
Modern States is hands down one of the best free resources out there for CLEP prep. Free courses, free exam vouchers, and legitimate college credit at the end. It's an opportunity you don't want to miss. And as always, thanks for watching and keep it stellar, my friends.